We're here at the MagnaFlow Research and Development Center, and this is where all of our performance exhaust systems start. We take input from our engineers, test and validation data, and even consumer information to develop the best exhaust systems. Our newest addition, our xMOD Mustang, we have interchangeable parts, V-band clamps, special structural supports, and our newest NDT technology, that's no drone technology, and we wrap that into a baffle system that you can remove, and our carbon fiber tip.
The xMOD series exhaust system includes all the features MagnaFlow is known for: stainless steel construction, mandrel bent tubing, straight-through muffler design, dyno-proven performance, all backed by a lifetime warranty. What's unique about the xMOD exhaust system is that you can reconfigure the design to your exact specification. If you want louder or if you want a different tone quality, each of the parts can be interchanged to achieve that level of personalization. On the Mustang platform, there's two critical areas for consideration on which module to incorporate. At the front, we have to either select a muffler module or a TRU-X xTreme delete. On the rear, we have a bypass valve that allows you to select either an open or a closed mode. In the front position, we have two options. We have our TRU-X muffler module. Now this incorporates a straight-through design muffler that has our perforated X pipe in the center. This will provide that deep signature MagnaFlow tone while dampening total exhaust sound levels. The secondary option is our TRU-X xTreme delete. Now if you're going for that straight pipe sound or you want a little bit more of that race car kind of cackle and pop, the TRU-X design continues to provide additional horsepower through scavenging. However, the absence of a muffler body and packing material makes a notable increase in total tailpipe sound levels. Another design feature of the xMOD system is the additional structural support created by the cross brace, in addition to new bracket and hanger designs.
Additional structural support is one of the new features we've had to add to the xMOD modular exhaust system. Because those modules come on and off the vehicle, we have to make sure the rest of the exhaust is supported while that module is being removed and everything remains intact and in proper place when we put the new part on. Part of that means redesigning the actual hangers. As you can see, the new design is very different from most things we've offered. We have an individual rod that's been welded into two side supports and an upper support. This boxing gives us additional shear strength, and in addition to that, holds the system steady while we have the brace underneath the vehicle.
Moving to the back of the vehicle, you'll discover the next new feature to the xMOD series exhaust system, and that's an NDT enhanced muffler module. NDT standing for No Drone Technology. The NDT Enhanced Muffler Module utilizes quarter wave sound cancellation technology to eliminate those unwanted sounds inside the cabin. This means no drone under any level of operation. Looking closer at the rear muffler module, you'll notice that there's a Y pipe just before the muffler assembly. The Y is there to offer two pathways for the exhaust gases to exit. If you're working with an active exhaust equipped vehicle, and the valve is installed with the factory actuator, you now have an ability to bypass the muffler assembly. When the valve is in the closed position, it will force gases back into the muffler and exit out the center tip. When the valve is open, it'll allow gases to pass through both, offering a much louder tailpipe sound.
And as you can see with the active valve system, we include the new valves to work with the factory actuators. They bolt on, and you can have an open condition where you're in sport or track mode. And then when you select normal or quiet, the valve goes into the closed position. Now, if you're equipped with a vehicle that doesn't have active exhaust, we've had to come up with a unique solution. Our solution for the non-active exhaust equipped vehicles is our xTreme bypass valve delete. As you can see, the valve delete and the valve have the same physical construction and design. This means that they can be interchanged by simply removing the V-band clamp. To achieve the different levels of sound, you have a block-off plate which can be removed for our louder operation and replaced for our quieter and stealth modes.
The xMOD system sees a solid 16 to 18 rear wheel horsepower and 15 to 16 foot-pounds of torque. All four modes perform within 2 horsepower regardless of the sound setting. This means the combination of mufflers or open baffles have almost no effect on the total flow on a stock vehicle. With xMOD, our development team delivered a straight-through, unrestricted performance design incorporating no drone technology in the form of quarter-wave noise-canceling resonators, and by utilizing race-bred V-band clamps, 4 configurable sound profiles are available to deliver the sound you want when you want it.